Hey guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Transformation Series. I am Praveen and I've got really special people. One is Ravi, Teja. And the great thing that this guy comes from really far. We are located in Mumbai at Goregaon West. And he comes from Powai all the way, which means about an hour and a half to reach here all the way to the box. We call this atmosphere as a box. And the other person who is very special in my life, as well as for the Bodyprocoach, is about Satyam Mokakshi. Satyam, talk about yourself, bro.
Hi, my name is Satyam Mokashi, working with Bodyprocoach from last 1.5 years. And I'm too much passionate about the fitness. I like this field totally. I like to be disciplined with my life. So fitness is all about discipline and following it for all my life.
This is amazing. That's amazing. This sounds really, and I believe in when it comes to fitness, when it's about being in shape or looking great, I believe in being consistent and at the same time being disciplined. And I think Satyam said the same thing. So it makes it more valuable when you have the people around you, have the like-minded people. So Ravi, let's go back to your life. So this is about transformation. This is about Ravi. It's all about, you talking about your journey. How did you change yourself? We have some really great pictures of Ravi, showing the transformations. We'll speak about that also. So Ravi, what makes you to travel so far for the training session with Satyam? Satyam is a personal trainer. And from the time Ravi has been around with us, he's been always taking personal training. And I think an overall huge transformation. You will get to see, we're going to show you some movements, exactly how he performs, how he got his fitness levels. And as I said earlier, you come from very far. What makes you to travel down to the distance?
Because I get results basically.
Okay.
I'm getting like a good shape of my body. And other things are like, I'm more flexible than before.
Okay, interesting. That's something which I really like about fitness,
and my stamina has been increased. Mm-hmm. And I'm motivated towards
coming here. Yeah. So you don't mind spending that kind of an hour and a half to come here and go back, which means about 3 hours. We have about 24 hours in a day, out of which 3 घंटे तो मतलब आने जाने में चला गया. फिर about an hour and a half. How long you work out for?
45 to 50 minutes.
So yeah, it doesn't work out longer. Though I believe that if your movements are very correct and if you have worked up the basics very clearly, then it takes about anywhere about 30 minutes to an hour to the maximum. So about 4 hours is only gone for the exercise because of course you spend about 3 hours in traveling. And how do you feel about the whole journey of transformation, being fit? Because I've seen you when you joined it, you were not fit. You were lean. He has a structure which is very lean. But at the same time, the leanness was only about the shoulders and the kind of other body parts. But he had a punch in the beginning. But now you look really fit, and of course, I get to see you working out without the shirt. So how does it feel? The overall journey, overall transformation, feeling. So does it make a change in the confidence overall?
Yeah. My stamina is more increased.
So that's what makes it you to probably travel down or be committed towards fitness. Is about
I'm getting good results. Yeah. Because I have been to various gyms in Powai only. Okay. But there I never got result. Okay. So here Satyam always pushes me to do something like ye kar, wo kar. Mm-hmm.
So it gets you a little extra mileage being here and probably having Satyam around you, right?
Yeah.
Great.
And whole atmosphere over here is something like it is good.
I think maybe inspired to push a bit hard. That's what I get to see because all of the people are struggling here, so you want to also one of them to struggle more harder here, isn't it? Yeah. So that sounds amazing to me. Satyam, you want to say about the role that you exactly played with Ravi in the transformation? So I believe every transformation has something very special to speak about it. So everyone's journey, you being a trainer or a coach working with them, it's always, because I've worked with a lot of transformation, I've worked with a lot of people. So my every transformation is a completely different journey. It's never been the same, You want to just bring lights on these parameters, like how he came into the gym, like what are the struggle phases that he had, and how did you help him to be what he is right now?
So the day I met Ravi, we were having a conversation about the fitness. So I called him up for a session. So we just gone through the fitness test, the body composition, and I came to know that his body must be too stiff. Then I had to look it for his fat percentage. Then he was like, I have to see what all places are there, areas are there, we need to work off.
So Satyam, I've noticed when Ravi was around always, so he of course used to work out with the shirt, and I've noticed one of the day he was probably changing over there. I've noticed a lot of fat percentage. So how did he start working on his fat percentage overall? So did you ask him to, probably I want to see a fat percentage. So how did you do that overall? You spoke about fitness test and the body composition kind of stuff, which I understand. So did you have any pictures that you clicked and probably without shirt, that you get to know the fat percentage of fat deposition? So have you done such kind of stuff?
So on the very first day, we took pictures of Ravi from the front profile, side profile, everything. And then I had to work out according, like his shoulder was shorter and his waistline was much bigger. At that time, the time we started working out, there was a lot of belly fat and the chest fat was also a lot of more. Then we had to make plans according to that. We had followed a calorie deficit diet. So diet played a very important role in his transformation overall, and then the complete fitness program.
Interesting, that sounds amazing. So now I believe that जैसे आपने कुछ mention किया था कि आपको इनका stiffness के बारे में, जैसे आपने थोड़ा बहुत fitness assessment किया तो आपको मालूम पड़ा fitness में उनका flexibility is one of the things that is lacking. So आपने उसकी और कैसे काम किया?
So flexibility, we used to follow a good routine of stretching. So we used to do around 10 to 15 minutes of just stretching, opening up the muscles to bring that mobility into the movement. So we used to practice the movements daily with a lot of stretches.
Amazing. So sir, आपको कैसा लगा Ravi? Like you've been a person who've been to a lot of gyms, and you, as you said that you never got results, but now over here Satyam had an approach towards you which is with flexibility. So did you feel anything different working with that pattern of program wherein flexibility was one of the most prioritized thing? आपको कैसा लगा being flexible or working towards flexibility? आपको कैसा लगा?
Like पहले I used to feel like my body is very heavy.
Okay.
So now I can feel that it is light. I can like jump anywhere. I can do box jumps very easily.
I've seen, yeah.
And 2 bars.
Okay, interesting.
So
it makes it more, I think, yeah, that's correct. So what Ravi is saying that when you are more flexible, your muscles can do better performance. Even I train a lot of people, and as we mentioned that whenever somebody comes and join Bodyprocoach Fitness, the first and the most important that we work on is about your flexibility and the mobility part of it. And once you're flexible and mobile, then you can definitely create better movement, so which makes it really interesting. I have noticed one thing very, very, something probably the youngsters are not doing. How old are you, by the way?
24.
You're 24, and you are what? What have you done in life? What are the things that you have achieved in life?
Like I'm into event production.
Okay, and? Are you an engineer by any chance?
Yeah.
So he's an engineer too at the same time. So let me just bring in a bit of brightness to this side of him. So as I mentioned, he travels a lot, and there are days that I was asking for the shoot about 2 weeks back, and he mentioned to me that you know what, Praveen, I got exams on the way. So let me finish the exams and probably catch up next week. And apparently today is that next week. So what I've noticed is that, but I've seen this guy every single day in the gym, working out, putting it, I've seen this guy every day in the gym, putting all that he has got in the work. He never had an excuse mentioning that he has exams, or probably he's studying, or he has to travel. I never seen that. And the 99%, if you visit any school or college, you get to see that everybody, almost all the kids are fat. Of course, this could be the reason that lack of knowledge, lack of information. But I think Ravi, you have a mindset makes you to come to the gym wherein you run a business, I believe, and you are highly educated, and you have exams most of the time happening, but you still make the gym. What is that one thing that makes you come to the gym, and what's about your mindset?
After working out, I feel good, like relaxed, like it is something different, because people like to relax in a different way.
Correct.
But here, after working out, I feel
better.
Good. Yeah, better.
That's correct, sir. Guys, if you're listening to this, and if you are already a college or a school goer, when you exercise, your body releases lots and lots of great hormones, which makes you focus a bit more. Am I right? You feel that thing?
Yes.
You do feel that thing, right? So I think that's pretty much sum up his story on the transformation. We're going to show you some great pictures of his gynecomastia and changing that into a very, very great and very shapeful chest. With the time, we're going to have those things happening. Unfortunately, we haven't captured this moment of his being stiff. But anyways, I'm sure that we have enough content to show you guys some great way of his fitness changing. Not only the aesthetical or the way that he looks changes, but at the same time the fitness overall changes. So I hope that we have some videos that we can show it to you guys. Ravi, we want to say something to them. This is going to our YouTube channel called as a transformation section on the Bodyprocoach channel. Do you want to say some tips or your mindset or something that they can listen to and get inspired, or something that they can learn from you? What could be that one fitness mantra that you follow every single day probably?
Work out regularly and follow a good diet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Anything else? Mm-hmm. Anything, like there are a lot of girls listening to you right now. Anything for the girls especially? And I'm sure that girls are more conscious about looking good than the men. So something for the girls. How many girlfriends do you have, by the way? None? Okay. Huh? He's not telling you guys, so you have a scope to date him. Ravi, any tips for other people? Anything else that you want to share with them?
Oh.
Nothing. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, that I've done a lot of transformation. I've seen a lot of transformation happening, but I went up to this guy and spoke to him because I've really noticed his transformation is like an amazing work done by him and his coach. So really hats off to you guys. So wonderful job done. सत्यम आपको कुछ बताना है इनको फिटनेस टिप्स, या फिर आपको लगता है कि ऐसे कुछ चीज़ बताओ, बिकॉज आप मेरे ख्याल से आप भी काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन है, आप काफ़ी हद तक humongously disciplined, and when it comes to work, starting things on time, finishing on time, and I believe that that's the biggest challenge everybody that faces. So you want to give some fitness tips first of all. Any fitness mantra that you follow?
Just be disciplined to your workout. Come what may, just remove that 1 extra hour for your workout.
Yeah, man, that voice speaks it. Anything else? Anything you want to say? Anything about it?
Just be regular to the gym, be regular to your diet, the food you eat, just avoid the bad junk food, eat right content, work out daily, and you will get that fitness level.
Any fitness tips, women? No? So it's good to see Satyam training a lot of women, and I think you really transform a lot of people around us. So what do you think about men and a woman fitness? What kind of differences that you see in them? Do you see any difference in them, or like it's going to be you have the same pattern of program going for them?
Like the program depends on the fitness level everyone has. Like there is no changes like a man way of working out for men and a woman. The working out remains the same. It's just the program done based according to the fitness levels.
Amazing. You want to add anything more?
No.
Wonderful, guys. So thank you so much for having your time with us, and it was wonderful sharing this information with you guys. And why do we make these kind of videos is that inspire you to take a step. I know that you're probably not watching this video from Mumbai, and you can drop into this box here to Bodyprocoach. That's absolutely fine. You guys want to take a step up ahead and take a journey of fitness. It's going to be wonderful. I think there are a lot of things. Ravi's being busy, but at the same time, he makes it a point that he comes to the gym and work out every day. It's a great feeling to be fit. Trust me, on this one is a great feeling to be fit. So take a step, and this is just a motivation. We want you to get inspired to take a step and tag us. Tag Satyam, tag me, tag Bodyprocoach, and probably tag Ravi also. We will be proud to know that you've taken a step towards fitness, and that's all what we need. Thank you so much, and we will look forward to see you in the next video.